Welcome back to the Academy of Anatomy, and I'm Dr. Jerry. And in today's video, we're going to be diving into a powerful technique that can transform the way you study and help you ace those exams. Studying for hours on end can be overwhelming and draining, and that's where this technique comes in. It involves breaking down your study time into focused intervals, usually 25 minutes long, followed by a short break. By doing this, you can maintain your concentration, improve your productivity, and even retain information better. So let's walk through how to use the technique effectively for your study session. Before you start, make a clear list of tasks or topics you want to cover during your study session. Having a plan will help keep you on track. Next, set a timer for 25 minutes. During this time, your goal is to dive deep into the study material without any distractions. Now, it can be any kind of timer, just as long as it doesn't tick or make any kind of distracting noise while counting down. In fact, you can even use your phone. Focus on just one task during the 25-minute interval. If you catch yourself drifting off or getting distracted, gently bring your attention back to your study material. Once the timer rings, it's time for a 5-minute break. Step away from the study area, stretch, grab a snack, do something to help you relax and recharge. You're going to repeat this cycle with 25 minutes of focused study time, followed by a 5-minute break, for a total of 4 intervals. After 4 of these intervals, take a longer break around 15-30 minutes to rest. This technique offers a bunch of benefits. It helps prevent burnout, reduces procrastination, and boosts your efficiency. Plus, it's a great way to beat that feeling of overwhelm that can come with long study sessions. Remember, everyone's study habits are different. You can adjust the interval based on what works best for you. Maybe you prefer longer study intervals or shorter breaks. Feel free to experiment to find your sweet spot. Well, so there you have it. This technique can be a game changer for your study routine. Give it a shot. See how more productive and focused you can be. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Academy of Anatomy. And hit that notification bell so that you can stay tuned on our study tips and strategies. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your studies.